They know how to score, but do they know how to run, jump, and kick without getting hurt? This Broomfield youth soccer team is getting some lessons on injury prevention.
We're going to go through a bunch of different motions, okay?
The club hired Justin Dudley, a physical therapist at Cascade Sports Injury Prevention.
Give yourself some space.
He leads the girls through some drills, corrects their knee placement.
This knee is right over your ankles.
And faulty movement patterns, building strength using proper mechanics.
There you go. Feel the difference?
He says the majority of ACL tears come from non-contact injuries, and it's important to teach athletes early on about injury prevention.
And I landed awkwardly and tore my ACL.
That's something Amelia Thompson wishes she had known about.
Right as it happened, I felt a pop and I couldn't. I fell down and then you can't get back up.
The 15-year-old soccer player from Colorado Springs had surgery on her ACL last year and missed 8 months of play.
It could end your career.
Her mom says she's back at it now, working with Justin to retrain her body and regain her strength.
Stick every landing.
But she wishes injury prevention had been a part of Amelia's soccer training.
It has been a while.
It really should be mandatory. I think that we would have saved a lot.
Justin agrees and says more and more coaches and leagues are investing in this kind of training. Statistics show a 60% reduction in injuries for athletes who participate in an injury prevention program. But those programs have to focus on more than just strength. Check it out. Our cameras are there as Justin evaluates several youth athletes. Watch how this hockey player's right knee falls in when he lands.
And that puts you in a position that stresses that ACL and some of the knee ligaments.
Justin works with him to make the correction.
Good.
It's a similar assessment for these Commerce City football players.
Pop up into a push-up.
During push-ups, you can see this teen's right side drop, so it's time to work on some core. With this 13-year-old soccer player from Denver, you can see the knees fall in. Time for corrective exercises.
I think staying in shape and strong is really important.
And each athlete can get training specific to their sport.
Good. A baseball pitcher, we're going to look at shoulder mechanics, hip strength, hip mechanics.
Justin and fellow therapists are excited by all the opportunities available to youth athletes, but
We also have a responsibility to protect the athlete within their sport and make sure that they're safe as they're doing it.
Kim Posey, Fox 31, Denver.